Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to book Emirates with Qantas points. First, you'll have to open your browser and search for Qantas and choose the first option that you will get, or simply navigate to www.qantas.com. It will redirect you to this page. Just hover over this section right here, frequent flyer, then choose use Qantas points. When you click on it, it will redirect you to another page and it will tell you all the information that you need to know about the Qantas. You can use it to book flights, to book hotels, to travel, shopping, etc. And in this page, it will show you all the details that you need to know. Now, if you want to book for flights, all you need to do is to simply click on flights right here, then simply click on search flights. And now what you should do after going to this page is to simply search for any place that you want to go, then select the date, etc. Then click on search flights, and you will have to search for flights that are actually done by Emirates itself. So you will find out that they shows the logo of the company on the flight, and that is it. So here, as you can see here, we have the logo of American Airlines, the logo of Qantas. So you just have to search for the logo of Emirates in order to fly on Emirates with it. And you can even use filters to do so. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.